Teams upside down, that is what this video is about. But first, a like and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with as many people as you know. Yes, Teams upside down. It's a long journey. I've seen this a long time ago already, and it took a long time before it's live, but it's now in a preview state, and I think whenever you watch this, it could be already live. But today we are going to focus on what's live at this moment, and maybe it's already there for you, maybe not, but I will go into detail. First, let's go into Teams. So what do I mean with Teams upside down? Well, it's all about the channels. So in Teams, when you look at the channels, you see them over here. And this is how it used to look. And I specifically say used because maybe you are watching this video 1 year later and it's totally different. So what is it going to be and how does it look afterwards? It's going to look like this. So the channels are totally different. And what do I mean? It's totally upside down. So this used to be at the bottom, a new post, etc. So that all used to be at the bottom. So now you read from top to bottom, which makes it much more easy to read. But I know if, for example, like me, I'm using Teams since the first beginning, it's a total different experience. So please be aware that you inform your users in your company, else your service desk will be going crazy with all notifications once this is rolling out. But let's go into a bit more detail about this new channel features, because it brings a lot of new features into Teams, and it makes it I think it makes more clarity, although I need to be adjusting myself a bit, but it makes more sense. So first of all, when you open a channel, it will look like this. So you always have the view with a new post at the bottom, at the top, and on the right side, you directly have your channel notifications, who's in this channel, the name of the team, pinned post. You can manage the channel if you are the owner, of course, or if you have the permissions to do that. Your channel notifications are directly here. So it makes a lot of sense. That is easier. One of the things I really like, especially if you are someone who can add members, is the plus sign. So you can directly click on here and then add people to the team. This makes really a lot of speeds up a lot of teams and makes it way easier for people. Another thing is that this is changed. Maybe you know that in the former view you had the eye. I can show you here, where you needed to click on the eye and then you could see what's happening in the team. With this, you don't have the eye because it's always out unless you click on this close channel details, and then you got a broader view. But I really recommend to use this form of viewing. Then when you click on this one, it will open up the calendar view for your channel, so you can do a channel meeting directly in this channel. I will close it again. And you got some settings which are similar to the settings next to your channel. So if you click on here, you will see the similar settings. So that's basically on the channel, what's new. But I also want to point out the big improvement on the new post. So you can start a new post, and what you see directly is when you open this new post, it opens with a subject and type a message. One of my big frustrations is that people are starting to type a message like this one without a subject. And if we are talking Teams, maybe a bit like email. You want to have a subject. What is this topic about? What is this thread about? So please add a subject always. If not, then it could be a mess. But that's my personal opinion. So do whatever you want with it. But the subject you can add here. And for example, I will add one. And you directly have this full rich text editor available. And I think that's a big plus as well, because lots of people wanted to make nice text, but it was not possible, or they didn't find the options. So here we can just type a message. And here we have our buttons directly to our extension. So we can add files here, do the praise and the plus sign. We can add multiple apps as well. So this is one way to set up a post. I can post it directly. Another one is to do a post and then see, okay, this shouldn't be a post, but it should be a announcement, and then it's changing and you got a subhead and a headline. I'm not going into detail for that right now, but that's something else. I really like the new way of posting into a channel. Now, this was it about the channels. I'm really curious, what do you think about this new functionality? Are you have to go and use it, but are you liking it? What do you think about your organization? Will they like it? Please let me know in the comment section, and share this video and like this video with as many people as you know. And well, see you next time. Thanks for watching.